Do you guys remember when FTX, BlockFi, Cred, Celsius, and the like went bankrupt and essentially stole your crypto? Yeah, there were lawsuits and hopefully that sorted everything out, but what if I told you that there is a way to avoid this all? You just need to get yourself a hardware wallet. In this video, I'm gonna unbox and set up and show you the Blockstream's Jade hardware wallet and show you how it works. Now, their base black unit sells for about $150, and they have metal options as well for about $170 each. But do not forget to use my code MATTLONG6 for an extra discount. Now, this does not only act as a hardware wallet for storing your crypto, it also acts as a Bitcoin miner and a one-time password manager like the Google Authenticator app that I use. In this video, we're not going to be showing you the Bitcoin mining or the one-time password unless you guys demand in the comments down below for me to make that video. But what I am going to show you is unboxing it and quickly how to send and receive cryptocurrency. But before I open this, I did want to talk about the differences between exchanges, hot wallets, and hardware wallet. So first, let's start with exchanges. Now, an exchange holds cryptocurrency for you. Now, it's well established in the crypto space, not your keys, not your crypto. So since you don't own your own keys, the exchange is holding the crypto for you and your keys for you. When they go bankrupt, the crypto goes with them. Now, you might be able to scrape back some of the lost coins that you had while holding on an exchange that went bankrupt, but you have to go through lawsuits and wait so long. If you use a hardware wallet or even a hot wallet, you would have been able to withdraw right away. So an exchange is good for getting cash turned into crypto to get you started, or vice versa by selling your crypto to turn it back into cash. But it is not a great place to hold your crypto, especially long term. So second, let's talk about hot wallets. So a hot wallet connects to the internet. It's much less safe than a hardware wallet, but at least you own your own keys. Examples of hardware wallet would be MetaMask or Phantom Wallet. Now with hot wallets, you have a higher potential of being exposed to malware or getting your seed phrase harvested from you, so that way these hackers can steal all your crypto in your hot wallet. So a hot wallet is best for any interactions you want to make with Web3, not for holding long term. Now let's talk about the third thing, a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet is the best option for cold storage. That means that it's the best option for storing your crypto for a very long time. And hardware wallets have the options to turn them off, so they'll be separated from the internet, and it's only on when you tell it to be on. Now, this particular hardware wallet is primarily used for storing Bitcoin or Blockstream's side chain, which is called Liquid. But without further ado, let's bust this thing open. Gotta bust the seal. Just further proof that this has never been tampered with. And here it is. It's actually quite smaller than I thought it would be, and it's hard to get out. There we go. There it is, and it has a little camera up front. Without further ado, guys, oh, there is a charging cable on the bottom, so I guess there is more further ado. And it comes with a setup guide. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So let's turn this on for the very first time. So it says setup Jade. So let's go ahead and select that option. For setup instructions, visit their website, continue. Now let's begin the setup. Now we're going to create a new wallet. You could import another wallet, but if that wallet's ever been connected to a hot wallet like MetaMask, it's probably better to just start a brand new one. Then you have a wallet that's never been connected to the internet. And do not connect your Jade wallet once we create a wallet. Don't connect it to the internet ever unless it's an emergency, someone stole it or something like that. Then you can use your seed phrase that we're about to create to save those coins from being stolen. Anyways, let's go ahead and click create a new wallet, and then we'll hit continue. Now keep these words a complete secret, okay? That's why I pulled it off camera, because I don't want you guys or even my editor to know what the recovery phrase is. So what we're going to do is put this right here and write down all of the words that it gives you. So this one gave me a 12-word seed phrase. Some give 24. So you need to write down these 12 words, because this is how you would recover your wallet if you ever needed to on another device. Maybe this one breaks or gets stolen. So do not show anyone, like I said before. Okay, so now that it's giving me the 12-word seed phrase, you can see here it wants me to confirm that I wrote it all down correctly. So it wants to know what my first word was and hit this button right here to confirm that is what I think the first one is, and then it'll bring you to the next steps. So now what you should do with this recovery sheet with your 12-word seed phrase on here is that keep it safe. Keep it wherever you keep your very important passwords or your social security number or birth certificate or something like that. Now, don't do that right now. What you should also do is maybe write your PIN on it as well, which we'll get to later. Okay, so the next thing is select connection. So in this case, I'm going to choose to do Bluetooth, but USB would mean you could plug it into your laptop or computer. Bluetooth is going to be through their app, which is what we're going to be doing today, or the QR code is for air gap transactions. Anyways, well, let's go ahead and just select Bluetooth. It's going to be easier. And now let's find this Jade on our app. So first, let's download the app. So now that it is downloaded, let's go ahead and open it up. So now that we have the app downloaded, let's get started. Let's choose, I don't want the keys store on my phone. That kind of defeats the purpose. So we're going to have the keys store on the actual hardware wallet. So we're going to select the second option, and now let's connect to the Jade. Now I'm going to give it Bluetooth permission so that way it can connect to the Jade. There it is. So select that. Let's pair. And now you want to make sure that the same number is on your phone as it is on the Jade, which it is. So I'm going to hit pair on my phone, and then over here you want to hit confirm as long as the number was correct. And now it should be connecting to Bluetooth to your Jade. There it is, and it worked. Now we're going to create a PIN. So enter your PIN on the Jade. So you need to have this PIN memorized. I would suggest writing your PIN on this sheet somewhere as well, your recovery sheet. So you can see you just go up, down, whatever you would like, hit good, and then you go up, down, just like that. Now, I don't know if there's a way to go back. Oh, there is. There's a way to go back. So you can go back and fix that. Good. Now, obviously, I don't want anyone to know my PIN, so I'm not even going to show my editor, and just do it right here. Then it will ask for you to confirm your PIN, and then it will let you know if there's an update. Let's go ahead and install that firmware update. All right, so now that we have firmware updated, we can connect to the Jade, pair again. Enter your PIN on the Jade. This is for security. You don't want anyone to have access to this. So go ahead and type in your PIN. Now it's logging in. So now we need to create a wallet. We have our seed phrase, yes, but now we need to create a wallet. So let's hit create. And what do you want? A standard one or a two-factor authorization one or something like that? I'm just going to select standard for now. And you can also see up here which assets you would like to hold on it. And there's some other things like this. Let's just select Bitcoin for now. And we're going to hit standard. And you'll see down here, this is how you receive. Here's your address down here. And you can also hit refresh and it will change it. And then over here, this is how you send, copy and paste something in if you would like. So I'm just going to send some coins very quickly to my Jade, just so that way I can start long-term holding right now. So let's go ahead and receive, take my address. So I just sent that Bitcoin to be received on my hardware wallet. Now, while we're waiting for that to be received, which could take anywhere between like 10 minutes to an hour on the Bitcoin blockchain, we're going to go ahead and show you a little bit more about what you can do with this thing. First, I want to show you that when you click receive on the top right, you can see your list of addresses and how many transactions they made, and use the same address over and over again if you would like. And these are the public addresses, which means you could copy them and put them on a tracker to track something like a portfolio or something such as BlockPit. BlockPit is an awesome website that I use to keep track of my cryptocurrency taxes. Since tax season is coming real soon, that's something to think about. Use my link in the description for BlockPit to get a nice discount. And you can also rename your device if you would want to, so it doesn't say Jade blah 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 blah. I'm just going to put Jade Black for now. Now it looks like that change is only made on the app. It still has that number here on the actual device. And let's say I want to end my connection with my app. I can just click the session right here and I could log out or sleep. If you hit sleep, it'll turn off the actual device itself pretty much. All right, guys, so we're back here and we have received some Bitcoin. I went ahead and sent 2 transactions. We're here with Muffins, who is waiting with me. Good boy. But anyways, guys, that is the Jade hardware wallet by Blockstream. Thank you so much to them for sending me this just to show you guys. If you want to know how I can mine Bitcoin or do the one-time password thing, let me know in the comments down below. I can make a video about that. By the way, be sure to join my monthly live stream where I talk about crypto once a month and talk about my earnings as well with different depend devices. Anyways, thank you for watching. Stay safe out there in this crypto world. There's going to be a lot of scams out there, just like FTX, and we'll see where this new Bitcoin bull market ends. Hopefully never. Anyways, thanks for watching and God bless. Peace. Bye. Good boy. And my cat playing with a little mouse over here. He's a little cutie. I have to write these all down again because I accidentally told it to start over.